Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can save memory in Google Chrome. So if you want your Google Chrome to have a memory saver, then you can actually enable this feature. All you need to do is go to the top right corner and then click on these three dots over here. Now from here you want to go to more tools, and then over here we'll find performance. So let's open that. And now over here we will find memory saver. And when this is enabled, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. So if you don't use any tabs for a specific period of time, then Chrome will start freeing up the memory. So simply enable this option by moving the slider like so. Simply click on this slider. And you can also decide which sites you want to always keep active. So memory saver will ignore these websites and will not try to deactivate them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.